If you have a structure that's made out of wood primarily, there's a really easy way to approximate relatively accurately the total weight of that unit. The way to do that is with MASSPROPs. So I'm going to start my MASSPROP command, MASSPROP, and then select all of the wooden objects in my drawing. So in this case, the whole thing is made of wood, so I'm going to select it and hit enter. This is going to pop up a menu down here, not a menu, but it's going to pop up some information, and it's going to tell me the mass, the volume, and then some other information. The thing that I care about is the volume, 5,023 cubic inches. So I'm going to round up, and I'm going to say 5,024 cubic inches. We can figure out roughly how much wood weighs, and this kind of applies to general wood products, but we can kind of figure out how much wood weighs by taking our 1 inch of thickness, a 4x8 sheet of 1 inch thick material is about 100 pounds, and divide that out, and we get a number around 0.022 pounds per cubic inch. So then I just multiply 5,024 by 0.022, and I should get some number around 100 pounds, give or take. 5024 times 0.022, 110 pounds. For good measure, I'm going to say this unit probably weighs about 120. And I didn't have to do much math at all. Hope that helps. Have a good one.